you've just explored the 10 principles of effective ecosystem restoration, covering everything from ecological goals to monitoring, from scaling efforts to ensuring equity. But one principle in particular deserves a closer look: inclusive and participatory governance. Restoration doesn't happen in a vacuum. It unfolds in real landscapes shaped by power dynamics, social roles, and everyday realities. Who participates, who decides, and who benefits can make or break a restoration effort. Let's take a closer look at how gender equality and social inclusion, often overlooked in the early stages, can unlock stronger, more lasting outcomes for both people and nature.